Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
A powerful leaf blower can speed up the leaf cleaning process with ease and comfort. They are very useful and help to gain big benefits in winter by blowing the pathways free from freshly fallen snow, dirt, and light debris.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
This powerful 3-in-1 blow, mulch, or vacuum is the ultimate solution to leaf and debris collection. It allows you to blow leaves all over the yard, suck them up, and mulch them with the same device. And its two-stage all-metal system with a durable impeller shredder blade can chop 18 bags of leaves and debris down into one. And the compact, lightweight, and slim design makes it easy to use with just one hand and provides effortless storage. Plus, it only weighs 9.3 pounds.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This blower offers the convenience and power you desire. Its 25cc two-cycle gas engine is lightweight and powerful, with a high-performance air volume and airspeed. And it comes equipped with easy start technology for more uncomplicated pull starts and easy 3-step starting like prime, choke, and pull. Plus, it also features a lightweight design to reduce user fatigue, variable speed throttle for more control, and a translucent tank to display the fuel level. And its extended nozzle with integrated scraper provides more precise blowing to clear stubborn leaves and debris on challenging areas.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This 3-in-1 backpack leaf blower, vacuum, and mulcher can control up to 250 mph blowing velocity and powerful suction for picking up leaves. Its power boost button provides extra power in need, and the zipper-free bag makes emptying quick and easy. Plus, it can be ideal for clearing sidewalks, driveways, and other hard surfaces after mowing, edging, and trimming. It also renders a flexible tube for maneuverability while vacuuming leaves and debris, and includes a blow tube, vac tube, and easy-to-wear backpack bag.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This brushless series delivers a powerful solution to rival gas-powered tools. Its easy to use, substantial, and lower operating cost DigiPro variable speed G-Max blower offers a versatile feature and a zero-emission solution for cleaning and clearing debris. And the innovative brushless motor technology provides up to 80% longer life, less noise, and lower vibration for user comfort. Plus, it also gives a cover at the bottom of the blower for protecting the user from getting into the spinning impeller of the blower. And it can collect up to 4.5 bags of debris on a single charge using G-Max 40-volt 4-amp-hour battery.
If comfort is critical to you, then you'd love this next model. It's one of the most comfortable models out there.
This blower offers different speeds for different jobs. It can go slow for tight spaces and fast for large open spaces. It comes equipped with turbine fan technology and high-capacity air volume for delivering a powerful performance of up to 600 cubic feet per minute. And the generation of wind speeds up to 110 mph. And a variable speed control system allows this handheld leaf blower to tackle challenging jobs. Plus, its dynamic airflow design forces air in a streamlined motion to produce consistent and powerful outcomes, and creates a concentrated force that can withstand rugged conditions with the included Hyperstream air nozzle.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
This most influential cordless blower comes with a 56-volt arc lithium battery technology. It includes innovative design, intelligent power management, and revolutionary cooling technology for incredible power and performance. And its turbo button can deliver a staggering 650 cubic feet per minute. And the variable speed control allows you to choose between 225 to 500 CFM for ultimate control. Plus, its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers longer runtime, low vibrations, and extended motor life. It provides 90 minutes of runtime with the included 5 amp-hour lithium battery.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.